Over here we've got our carcass of the chicken, so all we're going to do is we've got some onions, celery, leek, so we're just going to cook that down for about an hour and a half, just a nice bit of water in there. Then we will pick off any final piece of meat off the bone. Once you've got all the meat off the bone can then go into the little stock pot with your carcass and the rest of your trimmings. Unfortunately we have to lose the bone. I don't like throwing anything away, but the bone's a bit too chewy. What we're then going to do is we're going to sweat down a nice brunoise of vegetables. We've got shallots, leeks, celery. As you see, we've got some burnt sweet corn in there. I'm going to sweat that down with a nice little bit of butter, oil, tiny little bit of flour, and a little bit of milk and cream, just to make a real nice base. And then we'll slowly add in our chicken stock, and then we'll finish it with our picked chicken, finish it with parsley, chives. It'll be absolutely delicious.